Hello all, welcome to my channel. In today's pick card reading, we're gonna see all the messages your higher self has to give it to you, and all the advices, all the messages which you need to know right now in your life. These are the messages which you need right now in your life. You have 3 piles today. Use your intuition, choose a pile which draws your attention, which you feel intuitively drawn to. Once you select your pile, go into the description box. I have mentioned timeline for all the 3 piles, so you can select your pile and go into your reading. So see you in the reading. Bye bye. Hello group number 1, welcome to your reading. So in today's reading, we're gonna see all the messages, advices your higher self has to give it to you. So the first message, I see that you will be experiencing a lot of magical things. You're gonna experience a lot of amazing things in your life very soon. So great things are about to happen in your life. So what you need to do right now is to surrender to life, whatever it is happening right now. Surrender to the life. Enjoy your life to the fullest. Okay, make sure that you have pleasure, you make love, you enjoy yourself, enjoy every single minute of your life. Great things are about to happen. And also, if you are experiencing any fears, any pain right now, you are not alone. You might not have people in the physical world to support you emotionally, mentally, physically, but you have people in the energy world, in the parallel world. There are people who are behind you. You are not alone in this. Your spirit guides are there for you, to guide you, to help you, okay, to go in your life path. Okay, you are not alone. Make sure that you know that you are not alone, and whatever your fear is, recognize that. Look into your fear, analyze why you have those fears, know your triggers. I see that you are healing from your traumas, you are healing from your past, and you are yet to heal completely. Know your triggers, give yourself that healing, and that is when the new start will happen in your life. The new yourself, the new person, you will evolve into a new person. The new journey will start into your life. That is when great things will start happening. Whatever you are looking for right now, financial growth or in a relationship or growth, spiritual growth, whatever you are looking for, it is about to come, but you are yet to heal fully. Recognize your triggers, surrender to your life, okay, and be yourself. You are asked to show your real self to the world. For whatever the reason, if you are not expressing yourself enough, or if you are not being yourself, you are asked to see into the situation, start expressing yourself. Show the world who you are, who you originally are. You are someone who are free spirited, who are courageous. There is courage inside you already. You have to have that courage, bring that courage outside, bring that courage, collect all the courage, and express yourself for who you are. Okay, do not hesitate, do not worry about others' opinion, do not worry about others accepting you. You don't need others to accept you. You have to accept yourself. Okay, so when you do accept yourself, when you express yourself, and then that is when you start healing. And when you surrender to your life and when you start healing, that is when you grow spiritually. That is when you evolve into who you are, and that is when all the great things will come into your life. And I also see that there are certain limited beliefs you have, certain fears you have, like I said before, and you have certain burdens in your mind already. You are worrying about something, you are scared about something. You are kind of not free to express yourself. You need to come out of all the limited beliefs. You are good enough. You don't need to worry about others' opinion about you. Okay, so that which is stopping you from growth is your limited beliefs and your burden. Put down all those burdens and be yourself. Okay, and if you have situations or people in your life who or troubling you, it is time for you to come out of those pity fights, okay, silly fights or silly arguments. Come away from those people. If you are in a situation where you cannot come out, you have to cut yourself energetically. Okay, you don't give your energy to people. Don't think by thinking about them, by talking with them, by arguing with people. That is when you lose your energy to them. So don't lose your energy for anybody, for any unhealthy relationship. Protect your energy. Okay, this is what I see the message from your spirit guides. So I hope it is helpful. So see you in another pick a card reading, and thank you and bye bye. Hello group number 2, welcome to your reading. In today's pick a card reading, we will be seeing all the messages your higher self has to give it to you. Okay, these messages could be the advices or some things which you are missing to do, or something you might be doing but there might be different perspective to something. So all the advices, messages, what your higher self has to give it to you, that is what we're gonna see. So to start with, I see that great things will happen to you in the near future. Okay, you will be transforming into a person, into a different person. Okay, now is the time for you to take action in that direction, to transform yourself into a better person. Your higher self is asking you to transform yourself, understand, transform yourself into a person. Okay, and you have to rise above all the problems, whatever the worries, whatever the fears you have to rise above that. You already have the wisdom inside you. Your soul knows about it. Your ancestors has given you the wisdom which is required for you to grow spiritually, to grow as a soul. Okay, you have it inside already. Now is the time to do it. And if you have any dream, if you are working on any project or anything, if you have in your mind, this reading is a confirmation that you are supported to achieve that. You are supported to achieve your dream. Your guides are there to support you. Okay, whatever the fears you have, the limited beliefs you have regarding that dream or anything in your life right now, it is time to change your perception. Realize that you are supported and you are not alone, and it is the time to take action. And I also see that your childhood, you have some trauma or you have some wounds in your life already. You have to heal from it. Without healing, you cannot grow. You have to heal from your trauma. Forgive people who need to be forgiven, and forgive yourself if you have done anything wrong. If you think you have done anything wrong, do not carry anything because it is not your weight. Okay, do not carry others' mistake as your trauma. Whatever the mistake others has done in your life, it's not yours. You should not carry that weight in you. You have to release it. You have to let go of it. You have to heal from it. That is when you will grow. And express yourself for who you are. Do not hesitate to express yourself. You are a sensual person. You understand things what others won't understand. You are highly sensual in that area. Acknowledge it. Okay, acknowledge it and express it. Okay, and I also see that you need to balance something out in your life, your day-to-day life or your finances or your thoughts, or you need to balance. If you are being too much spiritual and if you are feeling that you are getting disconnected from the world completely, it is time to balance it out. Okay, connect to the world around you and also balance this spirituality and this practicality. That is very important right now. Okay, and take a break if you need. If you are asked to call to have a vacation, relax yourself, go out and spend time in the nature. That is when you heal and release what is not yours. Okay, remember, release what is not yours. Whatever the mistakes others has done to you, your parents, your siblings, your friends, your colleagues, whoever it is in your life, whoever it is who hurt you in your past, whoever it is who made you feel bad, whoever it is didn't treat you the way you need to be treated, it is their mistake, not yours. So don't carry that burden. Release that weight. Release that weight from you. Heal from your past. Okay, heal from your past and see the real you. When you eliminate all that trauma and when you heal from your past, that is when you see the real you. Okay, you have the wisdom already inside you to do all that. It is time to bring that out. Okay, and I see that you will be growing into this confident person in future. In the near future, you will be transforming into a person who is confident, who knows what they are doing, who is organized, who has that vision, who is very very clear. Okay, and I see that is when abundance start flowing into your life. Money will flow into your life. Okay, you will see all the success, whatever the dream you have, whatever the thing you want to do in your life, you will be doing it, you will be achieving it, you will be seeing abundance in your life. Okay, it is time for you to go for a vacation right now. Okay, so if you feel, if you are called to go for a vacation, spend some time with your loved ones, have fun, do it happily, heal, enjoy your life. Okay, so this is the amazing messages I have for you today. So I hope it is helpful for you, and let me know in the comment box below how you felt, and see you in the next pick a card reading. Thank you and bye bye. Hello group number 3, welcome to your reading. So in today's reading we're going to see all the messages, advices your higher self has to give it to you. So let's get started. The very first message I see here is you might be experiencing a painful or not so great period of your life right now. So you are told that all the painful moments in your life are there to transform you. Life will have ups and downs. Right now you might be seeing pain, but it is very much required to transform you. It is required to transform you. You are asked to surrender to life, experience what is there in life and surrender to it. That is when you transform into a bigger person. Okay, and you might be in a situation where you have to take this decision, but you are kind of hesitating. You have to take certain decision, but you are kind of scared. It is time for you to be courageous and take that decision. Okay, not whatever the decision it is something not many people will make it. Only people who have that courage will make it. So you are asked to have that courage and make that decision in your life which need to be made. It is very important for you to make right now. You are safe, you don't need to worry about it. Make that courageous decision which need to be made, and remember that you are safe. Okay, give yourself that time to to analyze, to have that courage to understand that you are safe. Give yourself time. Enough, you have given time for others till now in your life. It is time for you to give time for yourself. Realize that you are meant to be happy from the day you are born. Happiness is your birthright and you are meant to be happy. Okay, and whatever the situation it is not worth it, so you don't have to worry about it. If there is a relationship, if you want to if you are thinking about which is toxic, where you are not happy, it is not worth it. You are meant to be happy. Okay, you might probably have some dream to have a certain kind of life or any project, whatever it is your responsibility to make it. If your dream is to have a relationship where there is lots of love, respect and support, it is you who should make it. If your current relationship doesn't have it, time to leave it. Okay, it is you who should make your reality. Okay, for that you have to make courageous decision. You have to have faith. Okay, do not make decisions which are easy to make. Do make decisions which are right. Okay, live in the moment. Okay, do not worry about the future. Okay, you cannot see the future completely. You will only unfold the future by living it. Okay, so live in the present moment. Future will come. Okay, you do not worry about the future. And it is time for you in your life where you need to be emotionally matured, strong. Others low vibrations, others negative emotions, others bad behavior should not affect you in any way. It is time for you to be emotionally strong. Okay, pull all the courage which is there inside you already. This situation in your life, this present period in your life is going to transform you, is going to change you and your life. Okay, I see that you have tied yourself up in a relationship, in a situation which is not serving you at all. Okay, it is time for you to leave that situation. Any situation it is not right for you, leave. Any relationship it is not right for you, leave. that is what you are asked to do. That is the courageous decision you need to make. If some of you might be working on some dream project but do not have the courage to take that step which is required, take it. Okay, if you don't have the courage, have the courage, collect the courage. You do not get scared about the future. You are safe. Okay, you are safe. Do not get scared about the future. In the present moment, whatever you know is not right, realize it. Okay, trust your judgment. If you know it is not right, change it. Okay, and I see there is some sort of partnership, some sort of soulmate, some sort of somebody coming into your life. Okay, if it is job or business, you might partner up with somebody. If it is your personal life, you will have this soulmate connection coming into your life, and that is when you start living the beautiful life you always wanted. If you are working on a project, where you are scared to make that step, it is a sign that you will be seeing success. You already have what it needs to take. You have all the talent, you have all the resources, you have everything with you to achieve your dream. Okay, so have that courage to make the decision. Come out of your limited beliefs, leave the situation which is not serving you. You don't tie yourself up into limited beliefs. You have to open your eyes, see the truth. Okay, do not see others failures and then think that you will also experience the same. Life is not same for every person. If somebody else failed in a situation, it's not necessary that you will fail. Okay, I see here number 8 and 88 could be some number which you can relate. Okay, and you are asked to follow your intuition. You have 2 and 2 here, so you have angel numbers coming in your reading, which is a very good sign that I see here. Okay, and if you are worried about the future, don't live in the present, live in this moment. Do what you need to be done in this moment. Okay, and have that courage to make that right decision. You will thank yourself for doing it in the future. Okay, make sure that you enjoy your every moment of your life right now. Stay happy, stay healthy. Okay, see you in the next pick a card reading, and thank you, and let me know in the comment box below. Hope it helped, and see you. Bye bye.